Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing great. Guys, the topic that we're going to cover today is a very important topic. The topic that we're covering is the art of persuasion. I guess we all need to persuade one person or another in every sphere of life. Whether you are in a corporate job, whether you are in a government job, whether you are with your friends, family, everyone loves to influence the other person. But what is the art, what is the logic behind that we're going to learn today? Before we proceed to the concept, let me start with a very small story. Back in 2007, a very famous violinist, Joshua Bell, he conducted an experiment. What he did was, he went to a subway and he started playing violin. He was expecting that he would get a huge footfall at the subway because at that point of time he was at the peak of his career. But unlike to his expectation, there was no crowd, no gathering, hardly 5 or 6 people noticed him playing, but no one stopped and appreciated him. And you would also be surprised to know, just 2 days ago, he conducted a show in the same place and people came from all across the world and paid a heavy amount to see that man playing. But what do you think went wrong when he was playing on the subway? He went through the same emotion as you guys are going right now, but when he went back home, he tried to analyze. And when he analyzed, he came across a wonderful concept known as rhetoric. Guys, what is rhetoric? It is a famous concept which was given by the famous philosopher Aristotle. According to him, if you want to influence or persuade any person, there are 3 components that are necessary. What are those 3 components? We'll learn about them one by one today. Alright, let's start. So let's look into the first component, which is logos. Guys, what is logos? It is the audience. It is the people that you are interacting with. Are you aware of their education, their background, their mentality? If you are not, then you will not be able to influence them. For example, मैं आपको example देता हूँ. For example, I'm in a conversation with 2 old ladies. Their age is around 40 to 50 years. And मैं चाहता हूँ कि मैं उन्हें बहुत अच्छा impression छोड़ूं. But the topic that I take up is of Lionel Messi and Cristiano Ronaldo, that who is a better player. It's always been a debate, you all know that, right? But then they hardly have any idea about that topic, right? And moreover, it hardly matters to them who is a better player. So, if I don't have any idea about what my audience is, what their background is, obviously I'll not be able to influence them. So it's very important you know your audience, everything about them before you start to talk to them about a particular topic. Alright, the second one is ethos. Guys, what is ethos? It is your credibility, your image in front of the other people. For example, let's just say you join a new gym. On the first day, the trainer that you see is of 100 kgs and is sitting on the couch and he's instructing you कि ये weight ऐसे उठाओ, ये वैसे उठाओ. Would you ever be influenced by him? Certainly not. Why? Because you expect a trainer to be active. You expect him to have good muscles, ripped. This is the image that you have of a trainer. But if you see him of 100 kgs and very lazy, then definitely you will not be influenced by him and then you will leave the gym. So your image, your brand, everything should be appropriate when you're trying to influence a person. Right? Whatever field you are in, it doesn't matter. I'm not just talking about this fitness. Whatever field you are in, whether you are in corporate, government, you should have an appropriate image as that required by that particular field. Alright? Moving to the third component, pathos. Guys, what is pathos? It is the emotional connection between you and the person you are trying to influence. For example, if you need some money, right? You need some money, you're planning a trip to Goa. So you need around 20 to 30,000 rupees and you need to make all the bookings. But you need to ask your father for the same, right? Because let's just say you're a college going student, so you can't afford all it by yourself. So आप उनसे पैसे कब मांगोगे जब वो ऑफिस से आए सीधा, है ना? आपको पता है ये राइट टाइम नहीं है, बिकॉज सुबह से बंदा अगर शाम को ऑफिस जाता है तो यूजुअली ही इज टायर्ड एंड दैट इज नॉट द राइट टाइम कि आप आते ही उनसे पैसे मांग रहे हैं, बिकॉज माइट बी ही इज फ्रस्ट्रेटेड, ही इज टायर्ड. You let him sit down, you let him relax, you let him have 1 or 2 drinks, and when he is under the influence of 1 or 2 drinks, you know that is the right time to hit. You'll go to him and you'll create an emotional bond. You'll say some dramatic words and you'll be able to convince your father. Why? Because you chose the right time to influence him. So, choosing the right time and right state of mind is as important as any of the other factors. If any of the component goes missing in these three, I'm sure that your influence or your persuasion will never be in the right place. So whenever you're trying to influence the other person, make sure you keep all of these three components, and I can assure you, you'll leave a very good image over the other person, and you'll be able be a very good manager in the front of the public eyes, right? And talking about my previous example, that guy Joshua Bell, where did he go wrong, guys? His ethos were not right, because 3 days ago when he was performing in that auditorium, he was being sponsored by huge brands. The show was conducted in a very good palace, so people had trust that such a good palace, such good brands are sponsoring a particular person, so he might do great. And moreover, his pathos were also not at place, because when people are traveling on the subway, usually their state of mind is not right. Someone is stressed, someone is getting late. So his both of his components were missing. So that is the reason he was not able to persuade. But make sure you have all these three components in place whenever you're trying to influence someone, and I can assure you, you will do great in your life. Alright guys, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe and stay tuned for more videos in the near future. Alright, see you.